Visit us at Eduvvo. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.
Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learn about ScrollPaneLayout, the layout manager used by ScrollPane. ScrollPaneLayout is responsible for 9 components. First one is a viewport, 2 scroll bars, and a row header, a column header, and 4 corners components. So first of all, I just import a library here which is javax.swing. Okay, so I just import a swing library in ScrollPaneLayout. Then I just import a library of javax.swing.image icon. Now I just import one other library which is javax.swing.jscrollPane. Now I just extends this class with jframe. I just write here public, and I just copy this name, class name, and which is scroll panel layout. And here I just use super as a keyword, and then set the title name which is scroll pan layout. Now image icon, which is img as a object name, which is equal to new image icon. And here I just write new j label, and here I just give it the name of the image. Means I just show you the image which is for just for views, like I just view the clear layout of this scroll bar. So I just use the image here, and then I just write get content, and content is pan here. Now I just write content pan, and here I just write dot add, and I just add the image as a png here. Okay, now I just remove this one, and this is just an ad, not an image. Now after this image, I just add scroll pan. So scroll pan, I just give it the variable as a png and equal to new j scroll pan, and here I just write new j label. Okay, and our j label here is img image. So I just give it the object here, and then the object of the scroll bar add into the content. Now I just set the size, and the size which is equal to 300 x 300, and then I just write set visible, which is true. And here I just remove this one because I just take an image here, and it is get content pan. Okay, now here I just write public static void main, and then string arguments. Now new scroll pan. Now I just check the output for this code, which is, and here double, so I just write, now I just check this code. You can see the scroll panel. So this is the layout of, and when I just minimize it, so you can see the scroll pan here. You can see this is the scroll pan. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.
If you are looking for teaching stuff, education stuff, programming series, application, and Android development, coding skills, marketing skills, presentation skill, paid courses for free are available. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.